Despite being a topic that is common to all humans on the planet, it is one that is rarely discussed. But if you have ever wondered why you only seem to need the toilet after your morning coffee, or pondered why you had to keep running to the bathroom after a spicy dish, then we have the answers for you. From broccoli to bananas, this handy video gives the facts about which food and drinks make us poo, as well as exploring what the underlying cause of these effects are. Here are 12 food and drinks that will make you poo. Number 1. Coffee. Coffee contains high concentrations of caffeine, which increases peristalsis and digestive action. It also increases levels of cholecystokinin, which regulates bowel movements. Number 2. Spicy food. Spicy food contains capsaicin, which is what gives the hotness to the food. This can irritate the bowels and cause the urge to go. Number 3. Prunes. Prunes contain lots of fiber, which increases the bulk of stool, as well as high concentrations of sorbitol, a natural laxative which acts by drawing water into the large intestine, stimulating bowel movements. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are high in magnesium, which relaxes muscles and aids in bowel movements by relaxing intestinal muscles and attracting water to soften stool. Number 5. Haribo sugar-free gummy bears. Artificial sweetener maltitol causes large amounts of water to move into the intestines, causing diarrhea. Product reviews by those suffering the after effects caused a sensation online. Number 6. Lactose. Lactose intolerance occurs when the body does not have enough of the enzyme lactase to digest lactose. This leads to gas production in the colon, as well as water entering producing cramps and diarrhea. Number 7. Gluten. Celiac disease is an autoimmune response to gluten ingestion. This is causing damage to the small intestine. This can lead to increases in bowel movements, but can also cause dangerous long-term damage. Number 8. Berries. Berries contain lots of fiber which makes up the bulk of stool. Whether red, blue, or black, if it's a berry, chances are it'll make you go. Number 9. Broccoli. As well as being hailed as a superfood due to its high vitamin content, the fiber that comes from broccoli also stimulates digestion. Number 10. Fatty food. Fatty foods that cause diarrhea may be a sign of gallbladder dysfunction, as the gallbladder secretes bile which digest fats. Number 11. Coconut oil. Fatty acid branches store water between them. Therefore, excessive consumption can draw water into the digestive system, resulting in diarrhea. Number 12. Ripe bananas. Ripe bananas are high in soluble fibers which can aid in digestive movements. However, unripe bananas have the opposite effect. We hope these little tips made you successfully go to the bathroom. Good luck. Enjoyed what you watched? Give us a like and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.